welcome back to my channel. Sorry I have a glare from my glasses. My contacts have been bothering me real bad and I'm like, you know what, whatever, I'm just gonna wear my glasses. But like when I stand in front of the light, you can like see. It's kind of hard to see, but anyways, I have a big box to open for you guys. It is from You Newair, the same brand that sent me the nugget ice machine, and this time they sent me a mini fridge to go with my coffee bar. So I am so excited. We are going to open that up today. I went to Target yesterday and got some stuff to fill it. The kids are so excited. It's supposed to be for my coffee bar, but the kids are like, ooh, I want to get juice and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, you know what, fine, we can get some juice. Put some juice in there if they want to put anything in. But first things first, I want to make my coffee. I have not made my coffee yet, and I have been really snacking. I have been slacking on making my coffee early in the morning just because I have been so busy. The kids are almost going back to school. Let's make a coffee because I am not about to unbox this big package without some caffeine in me first, because we all know I need it. So let's get into the unboxing, and thank you You Newair for sending me the mini fridge. I will have it linked for you guys, and also I will be doing a restocking kind of video on my Instagram, so go check it out. Yeah, let's get into the coffee making and then the unboxing of the mini fridge. Here is the mini fridge. I had planned to put it under my desk. I just have like my bags and stuff under there, but yeah, I don't know if it's gonna fit. I really wanted it to go under my desk, that way I have all my stuff like together, and if I need to grab like milk, it's right under my desk. But I don't think that's gonna work because the fridge stocked up. I put all my oat milk here, some heavy cream, and some half and half my cold brew. The kids added some drinks, my nut pods, and then I have my energy drinks over here. The Lonnie the new marshmallow whipped cream, and my pumpkin spice down there, of course. We got her stocked up. We still have some extra space for some stuff that we can get and fill in. This is a perfect addition to my coffee bar. I have all my milks right here where I need them, all of your snacks, and the kids have some snacks in there as well. Like I said, this would be perfect if you are in a dorm, or if you have your own room, or if your kids have their own room and they want a little mini fridge. This is perfect. It's super cute. The kids are in love with it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!